Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to my closet for more fall fashions. And these looks will take us straight into winter. Today is a twofer. I'm shopping my closet with an Amazon haul. Today I'm going to be showcasing affordable, stylish Amazon pieces with a special focus on faux leather and supplementing them with things that I already have in my closet. Whether you're looking to upgrade your style or simply want to stay on top of the latest fall trends, this video is for you. And by the end, you'll have affordable options to upgrade your wardrobe on a budget while using classic pieces you already own. Let's get started. Hello, beautiful. I'm Angel, the founder of Maison 276 and creator of the award-winning 3-step system for silver gray hair, a healthy way to brighten, cleanse, and rejuvenate the natural brilliance of your hair without the use of purple dyes. Welcome to the beauty of aging. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new, welcome, and I'm so happy to have you here. On this channel, we discuss all things silver hair care, as well as beauty, lifestyle, and wellness tips. Today's another episode of Thriving at 50, 60, 70, and beyond, and we're going to have more fun with fall fashion. You are not going to want to miss out on these budget-friendly, absolutely gorgeous Amazon finds. Now let's get to it. Okay, y'all, before we get into these looks, I have a little bit of a confession to make. So I actually didn't used to wear warm winter colors, particularly those in the yellow, mustard, terracotta, winter white kind of category, because I actually thought falsely that those warm tones would dull my silver hair. Like it would just reflect dullness on my white hair. I was completely wrong about that. The other confession is that I didn't used to wear gold jewelry almost for that same purpose. I always thought, oh, I've got to wear silver jewelry because I have so much white hair, and silver and white, they just go together. Wrong. So over the past, I would say year, I've really been embracing more of the warm tones because they do actually complement the silver gray hair. And I've been wearing gold jewelry, hence the gold bangles and the earrings. So lesson learned, you can break your own fashion rules because sometimes you just might be wrong, or sometimes your assumptions might not be right. Anyway, just wanted to drop that so we can get on to these fall looks. So this dress you may have seen before. It is one of my favorite Amazon finds, so much so that I have it in another color. Because if you like it once, you'll like it twice, I always say. Well, that doesn't work for everything, but I did get this dress in another color. It is absolutely fabulous. And the thing about faux leather, I find that in many instances, it's actually more comfortable than real leather because it has stretch. To the best of my knowledge, they cannot put spandex in real leather, but this faux leather, that's a whole nother story. Look at this. It fits like a GLOVE glove. Now, I typically wear a size 6 or 8. This is a medium, so I would say it's true to size. It's an invisible zipper in the back. It is so comfortable. I mean, I can't even tell you, and it feels like just butter. Just butter. And this dress is a blank slate. Like there are so many different ways you can wear this, so many different things you can do with this. So we're going to start with a completely monochromatic look. The shoes I'm wearing today, these mesh shoes from Zara. If they're still available, I'll put a link. So for our monochromatic look, you've seen this sweater before. It's one of my favorite Amazon finds. This cardigan. You can dress it up or down. I styled it once before as one of my favorite travel pieces, in fact, because it's so lightweight, but it's super warm. But this makes a great monochromatic look. Now, because this is a very neutral palette, you could do a completely unexpected shoe. Like this bright green suede is chef's kiss. It's such a fun pop of color, and you could do a matching bag, or you could still go with a neutral bag. Still very fall, or depending on where you live, this might be winter. And we're going to take it into winter with another look. Now we're going to take this into winter by switching those green suede shoes, which you could also, of course, still wear in winter, but we're going to switch that with a black suede and a classic that is over 10 years old, and I will never get rid of her. Let's take this winter white up a notch. Okay, I've added this tweed, pink, black, cream, and a teeny bit of green that you can barely see. I think this coat is 15 years old, every bit of 15 years old. And it's one of those things I will never get rid of. But it perfectly complements this plain cream colored faux leather dress from Amazon that I forgot to tell you is under $50. And in fact, every single one of these Amazon haul pieces is under $50. And that's how you upgrade your wardrobe on a budget. A fabulous Amazon find with a wardrobe classic. And of course, we always got the sunnies. Now, when you see this dress in this color, it explains why it's apparently a viral Amazon find. I didn't know that. Somebody told me, they were like, oh my God, you got that dress? It's like, yeah, I got it. It's like, that dress went viral. Didn't know. Every time I've bought it, it was available in my size. It goes from size medium to XL. So pretty wide range. It's currently available in 4 colors. The grape, which is, oh my word, grape, eggplant, merlot, whatever you want to call it, it is stunning. And the fact that this dress costs less than $40, I have no words. So it's available in this color, in the cream you just saw. It's also available in red, which is great if you like wearing red during the upcoming holiday season, and black, which was sold out. And I have seen it in a blue, in like a marine blue, but I didn't see that on the website today, but maybe it'll come back. And by the time I post this, if I find it, I'll put all the links because you want this in at least one color. You want this dress, the stretch, and you can do a lot of things with it. I've got it with the black shoes. You could take it up a notch with something a little bit more festive, like this shoe. It's kind of got like teeny tiny nail heads on it. Looks great with this as well. This is a dress you need in your wardrobe. And as you saw what I did with the cream colored dress, you can put almost any type of jacket with this. You can put a coat length jacket. You can put a short jacket. The options are endless. I know you have something in your closet that you can pair with one of these amazing faux leather dresses. On to the next outfit. Okay, y'all, here's another run. Don't walk before they sell out. Find. This is another faux leather Amazon find, under $40. Comes in many, many colors, and it's got lots of stretch. It's the back invisible zipper. This is a size medium. I wear a 6 to 8, so it's pretty true to size. And the great thing, well, there are a lot of things I love about this skirt, which means I'm probably going to get it in another color soon. I'm just saying. On this little knot detail right here is so smooth. And you actually I wouldn't wear a belt with it because it would cover up the knot. And it really does cinch in the waist, but not in an uncomfortable way. So I feel like, I have that waist definition that I want. The other thing that I really love about this is this wrap. It's really like a faux wrap. Because when you wear a wraparound skirt, you always have to be very cognizant of how you're sitting. If it's windy on that day, like they're just all the things, right? Well, no worries here. It's actually a faux wrap. This is great. I think the chocolate and black combination is a classic, and that works all the time. And it looks great on everyone. It's a very rich fall winter classic color combination, and I see myself pairing this, of course, when I travel, because it hardly ever gets cold enough to wear this coat in Houston, which is why it's 20 years old. It's a wool cashmere blend my husband bought for me years ago. It's definitely 20 years old, but I love this look. So this is definitely going to be a travel outfit. And let me tell you about this bag. It's a dupe. This is Amazon's inspiration of this suede bag that I've been seeing a lot all over social media. So I thought I would try it to see what it looks like. It's obviously faux suede, but it actually feels very good. I've been examining it. The handles are actually sewn on because sometimes you can get a dupe and it's glued. It's not sewn on. This is actually stitched, and I filled it with some stuff, but you can see the inside. Well, I'll take this coat off. I really love the inside because it's got all the hooks. I'm going to do another camera angle of it, but it's got all the hooks that I need, especially when I'm traveling. Lots of zippers. You know, big bags are back. Honestly, I've never stopped buying big bags. I love a big bag. And so for me, the decision as to whether this was a keeper, can I put my computer in it? So yes, I can. So this is going to be a travel purse for me because I always travel when I'm doing business travel with a big purse. So I like her. And it did come in a darker brown. I think this is the shade that's called coffee, but I actually like this one better. It's a pretty good faux suede purse. So, you know, the other thing about it, I forgot to mention, is it's adjustable. So you can pull these, like if you're not someone that, you know, packs your purse a lot, you can tighten those buckles and it'll be a little bit more cinched. She's definitely a keeper. I also paired this as I was shopping my closet. I remember this St. John's jacket that I actually did in a previous video. And I really like the way this looks with this coffee colored or whatever color brown this is skirt, because this color, the color of the skirt is also one of the knit colors in this St. John's sweater. And this is probably a good 15 years old. And when I got it from like a secondhand thrift consignment or whatever type store. So it's probably more than 15 years old. I'm telling you, you can take your classics from your closet and pair them with these amazing Amazon faux leather finds. You are not going to be disappointed. So that's just another example of how you can take an affordable, budget-friendly Amazon find, pair it with a classic that's already in your closet to elevate your wardrobe to the next level. And remember, these Amazon finds are all $50 or less. Now on to the next outfit. Now this next dress is not an Amazon find. It's actually something I purchased from Zara about 3 years ago, but I think it's the perfect example of how you can take something that's, you know, basically a regular dress design, right? Just button up the front a little bit with a belt and completely elevate that when you change the fabric type. In this case, it's a faux leather. And I love this dress. It fits so well. And again, like most faux leather, it has give to it. And it's just great. It's a classic design that's been completely elevated, in my opinion, just by using faux leather. I've paired it with some of my favorite Zara boots. It's got a square toe and a square heel. I really love it, and it's super comfortable. That thin profile gives it a stiletto look, and you know your girl loves a good stiletto, but that wide base makes it a lot more comfortable, sort of like a block heel. So it's the best of both worlds. But I simply love this. So if I can find something similar to it, I will definitely put a link in the description. But it's absolutely one of my favorite fall winter outfits to wear. And it is a real wrap. So I do have to be very careful because unlike the skirt, this is a real wrap. Also, that new brown bag would look really good with this. Yeah, I love it. I like it. Just another reason to play around in your wardrobe. And you guys know I'm trying to elevate my accessories beyond the typical stud. Let me know what you think. Okay, guys, that wraps it up for today's video. I hope you're inspired to explore some of the new, affordable, yet very fashionable fall fashions available on Amazon with new budget-friendly finds and the classics that you find in your own closet. I'm sure you're going to create some amazing looks. If you like this content, at the end of this video, there'll be links to other fashion vlogs all designed to inspire you to grow bolder with every year and live vibrantly at 50, 60, 70, and beyond. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for subscribing. Especially thank you for your comments. Y'all know I love to chit chat with you in the DMs, so keep it coming. I appreciate you so much. And don't forget to join me every Friday morning at 10 o'clock Eastern on Coffee with Angel, where I live stream simultaneously on Instagram, Facebook, and of course here on YouTube. It's just a little 20-minute chit chat at 10 o'clock Eastern. Sometimes we talk about silver hair and sometimes we talk about other things, but it's always lively conversation. So I look forward to seeing you on Friday morning. Take care, and I'll see you again soon on The Beauty of Aging. Bye.